Hello, and thank you for joining. If you stumbled across this video today, chances are that you are either in network marketing or you're thinking about making a leap into network marketing. And if so, then this video is for you. Today, we are going to be talking about all of the things that you need to look for when you are about to start or make a change in the network marketing industry. And let's go. Okay, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. You'll find a lot of things here. I love to share beauty and skincare tutorials for women, and I am venturing into the coaching arena. I am currently a team leader and successful in network marketing. I'm one of the top earners in the top ranks in our company. And I've been in the network marketing industry off and on for about 10 years now. I've been with my current company for about a year and a half and have reached the top 2% there and lead a pretty large team of other amazing men and women. And I'm going to impart some of my knowledge to you. So, everything that is happening right now, you know that it has to be, for something to be a really good opportunity, it needs to be online. So this is the first thing I'm going to tell you to look at. When you're looking at an opportunity, can you be successful running this business online? Because as we move to the year 2021, everything needs to be online. Like, it needs to be easy for you to be able to do business. It needs to be easy for you to find customers. It needs to just be an easy way for you to run that business. You know what I mean? So my previous company that I was with, not to say that there was anything wrong with that company, because I had success there as well, but it was a inventory-based business. It was a home party business where you really had to do lots of big shows and big parties and everything like that to run that business model successfully. And we're coming into the year 2021, and I knew if I was going to make a change, which I almost quit network marketing, if I'm going to be honest, but I knew if I was going to make that change, it had to be something that was easy to do and something that I could do online and still be there for my kids, still go on the field trip, still be able to manage my household and have time, freedom to live life, right? That's the reason why a lot of people join network marketing, is to either A, earn extra income, or B, they want that time freedom back that you don't get from a corporate work environment. So that is huge. I just mentioned this also. I wanted a business that was no inventory, because in my previous company, you had to order so many amount of products each month to get your commission. I know a lot of network marketing businesses require that. But no inventory is huge for me. And I'm excited that I work with a company that actually makes it easy for customers to order online, and it makes it easy for those orders to help count towards your group volume. So I love that. And I know that there are so many things out there like boutiques and other businesses like that, that also is basically a drop ship type of a network marketing company. They don't require you to have inventory, and then you can just do it online and ship it directly to the customer, and it's amazing. So another big thing to look for is no fees. There's a lot of times that you can get wrapped into a business that charges either like a monthly fee or an annual fee or a website fee or anything like that. And so luckily, again, I found something that didn't charge me any fees, and there's not even an auto ship option, which I think is really amazing. So what that does, it allows me to be able to service my clients and customers and really offer solutions to their problems and what they need help with, without feeling icky that I'm like tying them to something, you know, to get something. So moving along, those are the first things I think you need to look for if you're looking for a network marketing business opportunity. But there's also things within yourself and within your skill set that you need to look at as well. And so let's uncover those. The first thing is you do need to have a skill set. What I mean by that is there's lots of skills that you can learn. You can obviously get degrees and certifications in, but there is personal development that's huge in the network marketing industry. It's great for your mindset. It's great to teach you basic sales cycles and sales principles and how to deal with different personalities and how to market to those. Like, there's so much you can learn just from reading a book or listening to a podcast. But you have to develop that skill set. So when you're looking at a network marketing opportunity, go ahead and think about what skills do you already have and what skills can you actually acquire to be successful with that business opportunity. The second thing is you have to have a passion. If you're not passionate about the products and the results and the way that they can help your audience, then people can see through that. They can tell that it's not authentic, and they can tell that you're just trying to sell something basically to earn a paycheck. You have to be passionate about what you're doing, and you have to be passionate about how this product or service that you're offering can help your client. The third is obviously the opportunity. I mentioned earlier that my previous business was more of a home-based party business. So is the company opportunity plan, is it set up for success? Like, can you make a good income? Can you make, is it a new company? Is it ground floor? Is it saturated? Like, what is the percentage of distributors that are within that company? These are all good questions that you need to look at. And the fourth thing that we're going to talk about is once you have those things in place, your skills, a passion for what you're doing, and a good opportunity, you can make an income. But let me go back to the skills portion of it. If you're new to network marketing, then you want to be very specific with who you decide to lock arms with to mentor you and to sponsor you, because my organization, my personal team, like, we are very team oriented and we help each other. We have different personalities, we have different strengths and weaknesses, and we work better together than we do apart. So really think about who you're signing up with. It doesn't have to be your best friend, but you do need to ask questions about their leadership style and what you will be getting for signing up under them and under their team. What type of training and support and all of those things that can they give you? Because if you don't have that skill set, but the team does, and their systems and processes and things that you can plug into, you're gonna be successful with it. So when you have all four of those things, the skill set, a passion, an opportunity, you're gonna make an income, and that's what we want, right? People join network marketing, like I said, to earn an income or for more time freedom. And so let's go and talk about products. Like I said before, you have to be passionate about it, and it has to be authentic. And I truly believe to be successful in a network marketing opportunity, you need a consumable product. And what I mean by that, even if you don't have an auto ship, it needs to be a product that the consumer can use, fall in love with, and want to reorder each month or every 3 months, however long it lasts. But it needs to be consumable. It doesn't need to last for 2 years, because if you sell a lipstick that lasts for 2 years, then it could be 2 years ago before they reorder. And specifically on how I train our team, I train them to sell outside of their friends and family. And so that's the big deal. You definitely want to create new customers and make it easy for customers to order. And you want to be able to offer amazing products that they are going to be able to reorder. This next one, a lot of people aren't going to talk about because there are some sketchy things that happen with network marketing. Let's be real. We know that there are, but there are some really good and honest opportunities out there as well that you can take advantage of. For instance, most people don't want to lead a team, if I'm being honest. I love to lead, I love to coach, I love to help because I like to see my team win more so than me, because it's just a extension of my leadership, right? When I see somebody that signed up under me get the biggest paycheck that they've ever had and be able to pay for Christmas all in cash and everything like that, whereas they wouldn't have before without this opportunity. So what I mean by that, there's a lot of people who have no interest in recruiting and building and leading a team. That's great. Look at that opportunity plan. Is there a way that you can actually make a good amount of income and money without building a team? Is it truly a dual compensation plan, which means you can either have really amazing, awesome personal sales and still earn a good income? Or do you want to recruit? Do you want to build a team and sponsor other people and teach them how to do the same way? And then if you decide to do that, then you also get usually group bonuses and team building bonuses and all things that come with that. So that's basically it. Hopefully these are some really good questions that you will be able to take with you when you're looking at a network marketing opportunity, and I hope that it will help you make your decision. So I'm going to close with this. If you are in network marketing, if you would drop in the comments and let me know how long you've been in there, if you feel like sharing what company you're in and your success, or if you're thinking of joining a network marketing company, and if you have any questions, I would love to touch base and cover more of those answers with you. I would love it if you subscribed. We're going to continually dive into more network marketing training and more training on branding yourself, and how I do teach my team to sell outside of their family and friends and be successful at that. And so that's what you're going to find here at the channel. So I would love for you to subscribe to that so you don't miss a video. And if you are looking for an opportunity, I'm in the beauty industry. I'll be glad to answer any of your questions about what it takes to get started with me, with our team, what we offer, how you can plug into the systems and everything like that, if you're open to it. If not, it is not going to hurt my feelings at all, but I did want to throw that out there since we're talking about it in this video. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you then. Bye-bye.